In this video, we're going to be using a BB400 from Brainbox to publish data to HiveQT MQTT broker. We're then going to use Movicon Next to subscribe to the broker and display the data on screen. The BB400 has a piece of software called Node-RED, which we're going to use to transmit. So what we've got is we're reading the IO states from the BB400. We're then pushing it out to the HiveQT MQTT broker. We're also reading an ED549, which we're reading from Modbus. We're converting it into a JSON format to push it to the MQTT server. So now let's see it reading into Movicon Next. As we can see, the digital input's being triggered. And over on the ED549, we can see the values changing. And this has been read through. Here we go. Into our project. Thanks for watching.